So today we was actually performing a brake job, replacing brake pads and rotors due to the car sitting for long periods of time. And good thing they came to Foundation Honda because the brake caliper bracket was actually full of rust and I had to grind most of that rust off so the brake pads can actually move freely. And also the caliper pin, those were also seized, so I had to pull those out, lubricate those as well. And also in the process, I found the rotor screws was stripped and the bracket bolts was actually pretty rusted as well. And took quite some effort to get those out and got all of that resolved, taken care of, and now the customer is good to go back on the road. If they actually did not bring the car to Foundation Honda and drove the car that it was driving, the brake pads could have actually worn prematurely, probably went metal to metal by the end of the year.